Hello friends, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this class we are going to discuss about a brief tour of the standard library available in Python. In Python, many predefined libraries are available. By using these libraries, we can write the programs very easily. In that, the first library is OS. So operating system interface. The module name is OS. The voice module provides many variables and functions for interacting with operating system. That means by using this module, you can interact with the operating system. Your programs are interacting with the operating system. Now we can see different examples. All these are the variables. So these are the functions. So OS dot name. So that means it represents what is the operating system you are using. So that means it prints either POSIX or NT. For Windows operating system, it returns NT, and for Mac operating system, it returns POSIX. Next one, OS dot current directory, CURDIR, representing the current directory. It is always dot. OS dot PARDIR, that means parent directory. So representing the parent directory, it is always two dots. For current directory, one dot. For parent directory, two dots. So OS dot SCP. SCP means separator. It represents path name separator. It is either slash operator or two backslash operators. OS dot EXTSCP, that means extension separator. It represents the extension separator. It is always dot. So next one is OS dot path separator. It represents the separator used in path. So path variable, when we are assigning the path, how we can separate the path? So by using in Windows operating system, by using semicolon. So OS dot DEFPATH, that means so default path. So default search path for executable. So for example, for executable files in Windows, we are searching the bin directory. The bin is the default search for the executables. Okay, so now we see the different functions available in OS model. The first one is OS dot CPU count. It returns number of CPUs in your system. It prints 4. If the 4 CPUs are available in your system, then it prints 4. OS dot list directory. So list directory means list the names of the files in the directory. For example, now I am in the desktop. Then it prints all the files in the desktop. So get CWD. So CWD means current working directory. It prints the current working directory. For example, I am on the desktop. Then it prints C:/desktop/. So OS dot get CWDB. That means the current working directory representing in the form of byte string. OS dot chdir. Chdir means change directory. We can change the current working directory, one directory to another directory. So for example, I want to change from desktop to C drive. How I can change means OS dot chdir C:/. That's it. Now the current working directory is C drive. OS dot system. So by using this system function, you can execute the commands in subshell. So for example, I want to make a directory. Then I can write make a directory. So directory name is, for example, iTuties. Now I can give this in system. OS dot system make directory iTuties. That means now in C drive we are going to create a directory. The directory name is, the folder name is iTuties. So OS dot renames. For example, I want to rename this directory. So by using how means? By using renames. OS dot renames So what is the old directory name? iDuties. The new directory name is, for example, YouTube. I give the new folder name here, so new file name here. This is the old file name. So these are the different functions available in OS module. So now, so execution of all these variables and functions in practical session.
So now we are going to see the execution of OS module. So how we are going to use? So first we are going to import the OS module. So os.name means it picks POSIX or NT. So how I can print the operating system means by using platform module. So platform.system and platform.release. So in this the chdir, that means in this is the chdir means change directory. I created a folder with iTuties in C drive. Now we can see that. So this is the C drive. In this I create iTuties. So nothing is in this folder. Okay. So now I execute this. So this is the output. So what is the OS name? The OS name is NT. So what is the platform.system? That is Windows. So platform.release means I am using Windows 10. So it prints 10. So current directory is dot. So parent directory is double dot. Separator is slash. So extension separator is dot. So path separator is semicolon. So default path is, that means where we can check the executable files means c:bin. So CPU count, how many CPUs in my system is 4. So list dir, that means I save this file in the desktop. These are the files available in the on the desktop. These are the files available on the desktop. I can list all the files. So get working directory, where I am working now, desktop. So get cwdb, that means it is the byte string representation of current working directory if you are using the B. So chdir, now I am changing my current working directory to C drive iTuties. You can check that. Now so os dot get cwd. So what I get? c:iTuties. Now my working directory is iTuties. In that working directory, I am creating a directory mkdir, that means make directory. I am creating a new folder xyz in iTuties. Now we can check that already. Yes, this is the xyz I created in iTuties. Okay. Now I want to change that xyz to abc. How? By using the renames. Now we can execute this. Yes, the file is changed to abc. So iTuties, so previously it is xyz, now it is abc. I hope you all are understand so how to use OS module in Python.